Finding the best 3-in-1 food processor can make everyday cooking faster and far less stressful, especially when you want one tool that chops, slices, and blends without taking over your counter. From my own kitchen use, the best 3-in-1 food processor saves time on busy weeknights and handles everything from sauces to meal prep with ease, though some models work better for certain tasks than others. After testing different styles and learning what experts look for in performance, safety, and ease of cleaning, I've learned what really matters for home cooks in the US who want simple, reliable results. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. WantJoin 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Chopper. The WantJoin 3-in-1 electric vegetable chopper makes meal prep fast and easy, especially when handling lots of vegetables. I really liked the adjustable thickness feature, which lets me slice or dice exactly how I want. The large feed chute is super convenient, letting me insert whole vegetables without pre-cutting. Its 100-watt motor and stainless steel blades handled carrots, potatoes, and onions quickly, though soft veggies like tomatoes don't work as well. The silicone anti-skid base keeps it stable during use, which feels safe and reliable. Cleanup is simple with the included brushes and blade cleaners. For anyone looking for a heavy-duty 3-in-1 food processor that chops, dices, and slices efficiently, this WantJoin unit is a solid choice for home or small commercial kitchens. It saves a lot of prep time and delivers consistent results. Number 4. Oster 3-in-1 Kitchen System Blender Combo. The Oster 3-in-1 Kitchen System Blender Combo feels reliable for daily smoothies and quick meal prep. I like how the Texture Select mode helps control thickness, which makes sauces and shakes easier to get right. The motor feels strong for chopping veggies and blending frozen fruit without much effort. The dual-direction blade design helps prevent jams, and that saves time during busy cooking. The blend-and-go cups are great for mornings when you need to leave fast. It works well as a best 3-in-1 food processor option for families who want one machine for blending and prep. The only downside is that it takes a little counter space, but performance feels consistent and easy to trust. Number 3. Nilpferd 3-in-1 Blender Food Processor. The Nilpferd 3-in-1 Blender Food Processor feels powerful for daily smoothies and meal prep. I noticed the 1500-watt power motor crushes ice fast and blends frozen fruit smooth. The speed knob gives good control for salsa or soup. I also love the self-cleaning 30S feature. Just add soap and water, press a button, and it rinses itself. The big jar works well for families. It suits anyone looking for the best 3-in-1 blender food processor with juicer for home use. It is a bit loud on high, but performance is strong for the price. Number 2. Douviva 3-in-1 Blender Food Processor Combo. The Douviva 3-in-1 Blender Food Processor Combo feels like a true space saver when you want one machine to handle many kitchen tasks. I liked how the 1000-watt power motor handled smoothies, dough, and cheese shredding without slowing down. The 68-ounce large bowl works well for family meal prep, while the to-go cup is handy for busy mornings. It fits nicely for anyone searching for the best 3-in-1 blender food processor and juicer style setup, since it blends and processes in one place. Cleanup is simple, which matters after long cooking days. The only downside is that it takes a little time to switch attachments at first. Overall, it feels practical for everyday cooking and quick prep. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 8-cup food processor. The BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 8-cup food processor feels like a simple fix for busy meal prep days. I like how the easy assembly design locks with the lid, so there's no twisting or guesswork. The touchpad control panel is smooth and wipes clean fast. The 8-cup bowl is roomy enough for salsa, hummus, or slaw for taco night. The 450-watt motor handles most chopping well, though it can struggle with very tough dough. For the price, it's a solid best 3-in-1 food processor for small US kitchens and quick family meals. Final verdict. After testing all these tools in real kitchens, I personally recommend the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 8-cup food processor as the best overall product for most home cooks. It hits the sweet spot of power, ease of use, and everyday versatility without breaking the bank. If you want something for a specific need or purpose, then the Douviva 3-in-1 Blender Food Processor combo is a great choice, especially if you want extra blending power and multifunction attachments at a strong value. Both bring something great to the table, so think about how you cook and what matters most to you. Be sure to check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the food processor that fits your style and need best.